I'm gonna see if anything bad happens. Oh my god. They have anger issues. I feel like they're playing roughly. They look like little squids. Okay. So if I do that, does that break them? No, they still look like wiggle wiggle. They're doing the McWizzy dance. Okay? Is this normal? I don't know. This is my first experience with glowfish. So if I change the light, will they calm down? Okay, no, that didn't seem to work. How about this? Like that? Like that? No, they're still kind of semi-aggressive. I don't know. Maybe they're just playing. Tell me if this is normal. Yeah, so if they're gonna do this, I don't know what to do with them. There's a can right there. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do.